I'm Colin Smith. I'm supporting Rhondda Cynon Taf Council Sort It Out campaign. In 1979 I had a compound fracture, tib and fib, playing rugby in Mardy. I contracted gas gangrene, which later I was told was as a result of dog fouling on the playing pitch. I received an infection which later resulted in an amputation below the knee, and the bottom line is it was all down to dog fouling on the playing surface. You know, if you want to own a dog, I think a dog should be walked in parks relevant to the countryside, not on playing pitches or playing surfaces. I think the council are doing a fantastic job in launching this campaign. You know, it's not only to do with sports pitches, but within our streets, within RCT. I think it's a wonderful idea to clean up our streets because there are still irresponsible dog owners out there.